Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 12th of October. And first of all, national news. Cabinet approved India's digital tech pact with France, Papua New Guinea. In Sri Lanka, Jaishankar warned about danger of hidden agendas. Target was China. India set up 24 multiply 7 emergency helpline for citizens in Gaza amid Israel war. Analyzing Swiss bank accounts data of Indians, tax body chief. India's G20 marked a historic milestone. UN GA President Denis Francis. Supreme Court Collegium recommended 18 names for appointment as High Court judges. Now, some international news. Israel Hamas war's impact on price of oil could also boost Russia's war effort in Ukraine. In Israel Gaza war, Hamas off the shelf drones destroy $1 million hardware. India set up 24 multiply 7 emergency helpline for citizens in Gaza amid Israel war. Rise in hate speech leads German anti-racism body to quit Elon Musk X. Hamas attack on Israel is terrorism act of war, European Union chief. Afghanistan revised earthquake death counts, said around 1,000 killed. Last pieces of Titanic submersible recovered by US Coast Guard. Thousands gathered in New York for pro-Israel rally as war with Hamas rages. Nawaz Sharif will reach Pakistan in a chartered plane from Dubai on October 21. Now some sports news. Virat Kohli, KL Rahul made gains in ODI ranking. Shubman Gill remained second. Pakistan cricketer Mohammad Rizwan dedicated Cricket World Cup 2023 win to brothers and sisters Gaza. Rohit Sharma achieved a massive milestone during the Cricket World Cup 2023 match between India and Afghanistan. Business related news. TCS quarter 2 net profit rose 8.7% to rupees 11,342 crore. SEBI resolved over 3,700 complaints through scores in September. Domestic air passenger traffic to see a marginal dip in September versus August. Qatar signed 27-year gas supply deal with France Total. Net profit rose 9% from announced rupees 17,000 crore. Shared buyback declared interim dividend. Science related news. NASA to reveal first images of largest asteroid sample collected in space. An annular solar eclipse will make its appearance in the skies on October 14. And that's all in news. Thank you.